We know that every needle must have its craftsman and owner. And as we know, every letter must be written by someone. Otherwise, it wouldn't make any sense, right? Well, then how can it be that an extremely well-ordered human being has no ruler? Some people are ignoring the miracle of creation. They claim that the human came into existence by atoms that came together. They also say that a human is only a speaking animal. Isn't this absurd? People who claim that don't even know which nonsense they have to accept with the denying of a creator. So, this is why we will ask you a few questions in order to make you think more in detail about this topic. The human body consists of different parts like our hands and feet, or inner organs. How is it possible that the blind atoms can create hands, feet and organs? Just think about it. Atoms don't possess any knowledge about life conditions, but they should be able to create a human body that is viable. Really? How can the atoms of the eye create an eye that is able to see the sun, while they are not able to see the sun themselves? Are you saying that your ear atoms have created your ears while they are not able to hear themselves? And the atoms of the tongue cannot taste but they create the tongue? How should this all be possible? Come on, does it really make sense to you? Let's keep going. We all know that atoms have no patterns, right? Then how are the atoms able to create organs which were designed so perfectly that you would think specific patterns were used for each one of them? The organs themselves are a miracle of creation. How can simple atoms place the organs at the perfect place in our bodies? More than that, how can they even know the numbers of the organs that are essential for our bodies? All these activities are only possible with specific attributes like an internal life, will, knowledge and an internal might. And you give all these attributes to atoms which don't even possess one of them? Really? Okay, let's come to a conclusion. There are two options. Either you say that atoms are the owner of endless knowledge, will and might, or you say that these atoms are the creation of God.